When I was 15, I animated Stephen King's Misery for a 10th grade English project.
I'm Paul Sheldon, and my #1 fan, Annie Wilkes, has me trapped here. She saved me after I crashed during a storm, and instead of bringing me to a hospital, she brought me to her isolated house. She addicted me to pain-killing drugs. But then she snapped. I killed her favorite character in my new novel.
You killed my misery!
She then forced me to write a novel. I stole a box of pills, realizing the only way I could escape was to kill her. Help!
Oh no, it's him.
Paul, no need to be coy. How many times did you go out?
I told you.
How many times? Tell the truth.
I am. 3 times.
How many times, damn it? You treated me like a fool. How many times?
3.
The first time to get the medication,
Yes, Norville capsules.
and the second time to get the food.
That's right.
The third time is to fill up the pitcher. Mattress. I expected to find capsules. The knife was a complete surprise. It was called hobbling, Paul. Just remember, a little pain and it will be over.
Oh. She went out to dump the body. Meanwhile, I climbed up, grabbed the lighter fluid, and found a match. Flames. She will be horrified. Oh, Annie.
Dun, 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 dun. There was blood in there, but there was no body.